Stoney, YouTube. Today in the menu, I got for you guys this mist skin fade, like that. Stay tuned until the end. This is your boy Hairstyle, guys. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Now I start my first guideline. I have to consult my client. She don't want the C cut, so I take off the C cut. My client did not want the C cut, so I take it off. This is my first guideline, guys. This first guideline, I do it all the way around. I clean the hair, I don't need at the moment. I follow my first guideline all the way around. You see, I take off the C cut. I follow my first guideline. After I take all the hair I don't need, make sure it's properly clean so I don't come back there. When you come to clean the hair like this, make sure you clean it properly, guys, so you don't come back there. So you gain on time. You clean it properly like that. And make sure it's properly clean, guys. Make sure you line it straight as well. The next thing I do, the first guard here is number 2 guard. This is the right size, fully open. The first guard I use to this mist skin fade is a number 2 guard, guys. That's the biggest guard I'm using to this mist skin fade. The biggest guard. Fully open. I flick the hair until to the top. The next guideline, 1.5, still fully open, guys. 1.5 fully open still, guys. Brush the hair all the time. Always have some comb in your hand to brush to see what you are doing, guys. Have some brush, some comb to see what you are doing, guys. Next thing I do is no guard, fully open, like half an inch, like in my finger, like your finger, guys. After 1.5 is no guard, half inch, fully open. Now I close my clipper to take off the line. You know the process, guys. Just on the line, fully close. After fully close, halfway close. When I go up, it's halfway close. Like you can see. When I'm going down, it's fully closed. To blend the line to the skin. Like you can see, it's coming, blending together. It's blending already, guys. The next thing I do is my number 1 guard, still fully open, guys. To connect to 1.5. Brush the hair all the time so you can see what you are doing. See the way I'm pulling the head? Still fully open, guys. Now is a half guard, halfway open, just on the line. Just on the line like that. Halfway open. When I go up, it's fully open. When I go down, it's halfway open. See, when it's up, it's fully open. When I go down, it's halfway open. Sometimes you need to close a bit when you're going down to detail it. It depends for the clipper you use, guys. You can see the face coming, guys. Yeah, this is the left side, guys. The same process. the biggest gas there is number 2 guard fully open, guys. That's the biggest guard I'm using to this mid skin fade. Number 2 fully open. After number 2 fully open, 1.5 still fully open, guys. You know the process. Now I'm trying to debug with number 2 guard fully open all the way around to make it easy for me. The next thing, the same process, guys. 1.5 fully open still. 1.5 fully open. This 1.5 fully open, guys. Now it's no guard, half of each fully open, guys. Still, guys. Half inch fully open, guys. No guard. The clipper fully open. Now it's fully cool. Now the clipper is fully closed. No guard. Just to take off the line. After it's halfway open, to blend the line to the skin. You know the process, guys. Trust your process. When you come to fade, guys, brush the hair all the time and trust your process. You get the result in the end. Clipper fully closed, halfway closed. Take off the line. Next thing, 1 guard. You know the process fully open, guys, like you can see. Fully open 1 guard. And sometimes I need to insist a bit because my client have a thick hair, so I have to go there every time to make it look a bit crispy. The next thing is a half guard, halfway open. Halfway open. On the line, when I go up, it's fully open. Sometimes you may close fully the clipper on the line to take it off because some hair are thicker. It depends to the clipper you use. It depends as well to the hair of the client. But in this one, it was halfway open. Now it's the back of the hair, guys. When I reach to the back on the hair, guys, I take my time because sometimes it's a bit difficult to blend the back. Sometimes it's a bit more thicker there. The hair is more thicker in the back, so I take my time in the back. But it's the same process. 1.5. After 1.5, is no guard, a half inch open. No guard, half inch open, like your finger. After the clipper fully closed, to take off the line, like you can see. Clipper fully closed, just on the line. Yeah, after it's halfway open to connect, like you can see I'm doing, guys. On the line is fully closed after halfway open to connect. You can see the rest of the face coming. Now it's number 1 guard, guys. Still fully open, guys. The same process like we do to the size, to the both sides. Number 1 guard fully open to connect to 1.5, guys. This is your boy the Hairstyle, guys. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't miss the next content. I'm here to share my experience with you. 23 years in the game. Number 1 fully open, guys. You can see the face coming together, guys. Brush the hair all the time. Now is a half guard, you know, halfway open on the line. When I go up, it's fully open. In the line, it's halfway open. Sometimes you may close fully the clipper to make sure it's properly out. But in this tutorial, it's halfway open. I pull the skin of the hair so I can work there properly. You can see the way I'm doing it. You can see the face coming together by himself, slowly. Be consistent. Go there several times if you need it. In this case, I have to go there several times because the hair is thick. I have to insist there. You can see how the face coming together, guys. And I'm going back there for the detail job, guys. My half guard, halfway open, fully open, the detail job, like you can see I'm doing now. Always brush the hair or comb the hair to see what you are doing, to make it easy for yourself, to have a clear job, guys. So you see I'm going back there with the detail everywhere around. Make sure it's properly blended. The fade quite done. My client asked me to fade the beard as well. I'm using number 1 to the beard. Like you can see, number 1 fully open. Yes, guys, trust the process when it comes to fade, guys. Be consistent, you get the result in the end. Now I just try to quickly fade the beard for my client. This is a half guard, fully open, close to fade. Now I'm going to my shape up, guys. For the shape up, I apply some holding spray to hold them baby hair. Dry it after if you need it. In my case, I dry it, I brush it. And then I start my shape up all the time in the middle, guys, to see what I'm doing. I go one size after, I do another size after. I always set my shape up in the middle, guys. I do one size first after another size, like you can see me doing now. Always brush the hair to see what you are doing, guys. Now I'm shaping the beard. You want the beard point on the top there. And once, yeah. Yes, guys, always do what your customer asks you to do, not do what you want to do for your client. Always ask them what they want for the beard, how they want the skin to be, you know. And trust yourself, trust your process, trust what you learn, guys. Always trust what you learn, guys. When you come to the shape up, take your time, guys. Do it gently, like you can see me doing it. Turn the clipper just to have some curved line there in the beard. There is a straight line there, guys. My client asked me to apply a bit some handset. That's what I'm doing now. Some Kisses Press. There I'm using Kisses Press, guys, from Amazon. Yeah, that's changing my game. And then I apply a bit some holding spray as well. Now I finish it with a little touch again with my babyliss trimmer. Go the fair. just to finish my shape up. You can see how they start coming together, guys. You can see now how the fade cut. This is before my customer client came, guys. This is after the cut, guys. Drop some comment, guys, if you like to. Thank you to my video. Thank you to subscribe. Thank you to encourage me, guys. It was your boy, the Hairstyle. See you next time. Thank you. One love. One love.